It's time to integrate your infinite nature. Repeat after me. I take full ownership of my life and everything in it. I take full ownership of my past, present, and future. From this moment on, I choose to always remember my infinite nature. I choose to explore my full potential as an infinite being on this planet in this body now. I take full ownership of anything that is contradictory to my new understanding of who I really am. And I release all of that now. I take full ownership of everything I've forgotten about who I really am and remember all of it now. I choose to explore life as an infinite being, spreading my positive impact to transform this world. I choose to experience and embrace rapid, accelerated growth and success in my life as an infinite being. All versions of me, past, present, and future, choose to believe this 100%, and I immediately take ownership of anything contradictory to this and release it all now. Can you get a sense of a future version of you that is always connected to your infinite nature? Can you get a sense of a future version of you that leverages your infinite nature to make a powerful, positive impact on the world? Can you imagine a version of you in the future that has been living with this truth for 10 years? Can you imagine a future version of you that is even more unlimited than you are now? Hold that awareness on your future version for 10 seconds. How do you feel now?